Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we're starting a new series where we're tackling all things finance on the Bumper web app. So, on the finance part of the app, you can see things like your transactions, you can record expenses, you can turn on and manage your payment methods, you can use Bumper Terminal and get your Bumper Terminal account details, you can also add your taxes and lots more. So in this video, we're going to be starting with expenses. So let's just go straight into it. So navigate to expenses. You just come to the menu on the left side of your screen. If this is like this, you just open it up and then click on expenses. Now here we can see that we have an expenses dashboard that shows you your expenses recorded and also your expense category. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an expense category and how to manage your expense categories. So to create an expense category, first of all, what does that mean? An expense category allows you to group your expenses into a certain type of category. So let's say, for example, salaries, or let's say, for example, marketing, or let's say, for example, rent. So if, for example, you pay rent every month, you can create an expense category called rent. And then for every month that you pay rent, you just record it under that expense category. So in this case, let's say, for example, we want to create an expense category for influencer marketing. So you've been paying influencers and you want to be able to keep all those expenses in one place. It makes sense to create a category for it, and then you can record all your expenses for influencer marketing under it. So what do? So you come here to expenses, you switch to expense category, and you come here to create new category. So once you click on it, you put in the title. So we say influencer marketing and the description. So again, this is optional, but let's say these. Okay, so now we have a description. Right? This is just helpful so that you don't also forget what the expense category was about. So once you've done this, you just click on save, and that's it. So to see that expense category that you've just created, you just switch here and you can find it right here. You can see the date it was created, the title, and the description. Now, if you want to edit it at any point in time, you just click on this here and you can edit the category. And of course, if you want to delete, you click on this button here. So that's how creating an expense category works. In the next video, I will show you how to create expenses and add to a particular category. See you.